I built the ultimate water cooling system for $10 without ruining my laptop. Or at least, that was the plan. It's summertime, and my laptop is constantly overheating, even when I put the fans on full speed. He once got so hot that the rubber feet literally melted off, making it impossible to edit videos for you guys. So we have to do something about it, and propping him up to increase airflow is a good start, but it doesn't help much when the surrounding air is as hot as the laptop itself, which means we have to water cool him. But I'm broke, so we really have to get creative and can only use stuff I already have, like this fountain pump, maybe a fire hose, and a fan stolen from my brother's PC. So the pump will cycle water to the cooling block, conducting the heat and transferring it to the radiator, where the heat then spreads across a large surface area that gets cooled down by the fans, and the cycle starts all over. We simply need to find a way to make a cooling block without using a CNC. I could use copper pipes, and if you need your heating to work, you can just buy these for like $8. I linked all the materials in the description for you. But now, let's bend this into our cooling block. Okay, I think we need our secret ingredient. Does it come as a surprise? Language of averted eyes. Silence is what I do best. Still I hear it always. Alright, it's time to flatten this copper spaghetti to maximize contact area. And while we're already at it, we can use the leftovers to make a second one for the radiator. I just hope they fit, cause the cooling spiral needs to be directly on the CPU, and you know what that means. What are you doing? I'm just resetting his laptop. If you cut him open, you will completely lose your warranty. What are you talking about? Just be careful. Dude, one wrong move and all data is lost. Well, if he doesn't do it, he won't be able to make videos anymore. Just remember, you're broke. You can't just afford another one. I did it. Told you. Now, we can even put on some magnets and close it up whenever we want. But let's leave it open for now and put on our cooling spiral. That actually fits quite well. The radiator spiral and fans can go onto the side, the pump right next to it, and the intake fan, USB docks and some cool looking displays can go onto the front. There's just no way to attach all this. Is that a... JLC 3DP? Sponsor of today's video? What could this be? Is that a 3D print? How is the finish so perfect? Well, this is a print from JLC 3DP, the future of manufacturing with advanced 3D printing services. You not only get to choose between over 20 different material options, from standard resin to engineering-grade nylons, metals and plastics, but their competitive pricing structure starts at only 3 pennies while offering coupons of up to $70 for new users. You even get instant quoting and real-time tracking, 48-hour standard lead time and door-to-door delivery, plus enterprise-grade quality control. And it fits perfectly. Well, if you want to build your own water cooler or always wanted to try 3D printing for yourself, go to JLC 3DP via the link in the description and get your ideas perfectly printed. Huge thanks to JLC 3DP for sponsoring this video, and now we can finally put this together. Oh, I forgot to put these on. Probably not that important. I hope. Almost finished. Let's see. Oh yeah! This goes on top. This looks so cool. Now all that is left to do is to fill up the water, and it should work. There's just no way for us to know, cause I don't think a normal thermometer will cut it. Nah. We'd probably have to rip out the display, program an Arduino to read out the internal CPU temperature and send that data over every second to get a live view. But that's impossible, right? Only one way to find out. Whoa, 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 I'm over here. Let's see. Come on. It actually works, but it's already getting hot, so let's quickly fill up the coolant and then we can finally test if this actually works. I have to start editing this. Wait. How do I fill this up without it just leaking out the other side? We'd need some sort of water reservoir. Maybe like... That's a perfect size. We just need to make a little hole at the bottom to connect the pump. Oh, not that bad. Okay. Gladly we have a whole crate full. Let's try it again. Maybe with a different tip? Or like... This is the last one. If I mess this up, I won't be able to finish this video on time, so let's do it really slow. Okay. Careful. I think we have it. Yeah, we're... I mean, we could try gluing, but there's no way that's gonna hold. It has to. It still leaks like crazy. Wait, we can just use this to connect the pump and fill in the water up here. That way it doesn't need to be waterproof. I think that's it. We just need to fill in the gaps, pour in the coolant, add a cooling pad for better heat dissipation. And I just ran a benchmark test with the cooling system turned off, and my CPU score is 9600. But for proper video editing we need to get close to 10,000, which means this is our last hope.
Via, via, vieni via di qui. Niente più ti lega a questi luoghi, neanche questi fiori azzurri. It's wonderful, it's wonderful, it's wonderful, I dream of you. Chips, chips, do 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 do, chi-boom, do 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 do, chi-boom, chi-boom, boom, do 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 do.
No way. No way. No way. We hit 13,000 score points. That's insane. Yes. That's insane. That's crazy. Well, I guess I can continue to make these videos for you guys. Huge thanks to all my Patreons and JLC3P for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.